Hi, today Ask F5 shows you how to create a load-balanced SFTP virtual server on the Big IP system using the configuration utility. This demo covers how to load balance connection requests to SFTP servers. Before you begin, make sure that you meet the following prerequisites. You have administrative access to the Big IP system, and your SFTP servers are available and accessible from the Big IP system. To create a load-balanced SFTP server, perform the following steps. 1. Create an SFTP pool TCP Half Open monitor. 2. Create an SFTP load balance pool. 3. Create an SFTP source address persistence profile. And 4. Create an SFTP virtual server. For optional procedures, including how to create a custom SFTP pool external monitor and create new monitor profiles using those external monitor files, refer to this article linked below. First, create a health monitor to check the TCP port availability on your SFTP servers. To do so, log into the configuration utility. Go to Local Traffic, Monitors. Select Create. Enter a name for the monitor. For type, select TCP Half Open. For interval, enter the frequency in seconds to poll the SFTP servers. For timeout, enter the maximum number of seconds to wait to receive a response from the SFTP servers to the monitor requests. For transparent, leave the default setting No. Select Finished. Next, create the SFTP load balance pool and configure its options. To do so, log into the configuration utility if needed. Go to Local Traffic, Pools, Pool List. Select Create. For configuration, select Advanced. Enter a name for the pool. For health monitors, in the Available list, select the monitor you created previously and move it to the Active list. If your SFTP servers maintain state across the servers, for action on, service down, select Reselect. If you are unsure about whether your servers maintain state across the servers, or if your SFTP servers do not maintain state, leave the default setting None. Under Resources, for load balancing, select the preferred method. F5 recommends that you use Least Connections Member. Optionally, depending on your configuration, select the priority group activation for your environment. For this demo, I'm going to leave it disabled. For more information about priority group activation, refer to this article linked below. To add new pool members, select New Node. Enter a name for the new node. For address, enter the IP address of the new node. For service port, enter 22 or select SSH. Select Add to add the member to the pool. Repeat these steps for any additional nodes. Configure any remaining settings as needed and then select Finished. Now create a source address persistence profile for the SFTP virtual server connections. To do so, log into the configuration utility if needed. Go to Local Traffic, Profiles, Persistence. Select Create. Enter a name for the persistence profile. For persistence type, select Source Address Affinity. You can leave these settings at their default unless your environment requires different settings. Select Finished. Finally, create the load-balanced SFTP virtual server that will use the pool and persistence profile that you configured. To do so, log into the configuration utility if needed. Go to Local Traffic, Virtual Servers, Virtual Server List. Select Create. Enter a new name for the virtual server. For type, select Performance Layer 4. For destination address mask, enter the virtual server IP address. For service port, enter 22 or select SSH. For configuration, select Advanced. For protocol, leave the default setting TCP. For Protocol Profile Client, select the appropriate profile for your environment. For VLAN and tunnel traffic, select the appropriate VLANs or tunnels or leave the default setting All VLANs and Tunnels. For source address translation, select AutoMap. Note, you must use source address translation only when the SFTP servers do not use the Big IP system as the outbound default gateway or when SFTP servers are configured with multiple routes. For address translation and port translation, leave the default settings enabled. For default pool, select the name of the pool you created previously. For default persistence profile, select the name of the persistence profile you created previously. Configure any remaining settings as needed and then select Finished. That's it. If you have questions or comments, please send us an email. Thanks for watching.